How's it going, guys? This is Brad and John with Best Price Nutrition. You can check out our website, BestPriceNutrition.com. Be sure to sign up for our email alerts. You'll know when anytime we have new products like this, we have deals, we'll have holiday deals, new products, all that stuff. You'll be the first to know. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell. I think that's the best I've ever done that.
That was smooth.
It just flew out, right? So today we're going to go over, we've had this brand, Black Magic, in for a while, but we recently brought in their proteins due to a high number of requests at our brick and mortar stores and online. We have all of the tubs, I didn't grab them all, but we do have French vanilla, classic milk chocolate, there's a blueberry muffin, original horchata, and then chocolate peanut butter puff. Have you tried any of these flavors yet?
You know what? I took a couple samples home, and I have not yet tried them. But I was really excited about this because I love Black Magic as a brand.
Yeah.
I think it's kind of cool they're coming out with a protein powder. And also because this is a protein blend, I noticed those tend to have more of the milkshake consistency.
Yes.
Tend to be thicker, tastier, and then also it's kind of nice because you get the slow digesting and fast digesting proteins.
Absolutely. And exactly like John said, if you get just an isolate, you kind of have to throw in some extra stuff, which they do in here. It's the same thing. They'll throw in MCT powder, which is what Muscle Sport does. They throw in MCT powder, which is a way to kind of thicken it up. But there's MCT powder in here, and it's a whey protein concentrate, micellar casein, whey protein isolate, egg albumin, and it's those four. So you get 4 different types of protein, all digesting at different times. It's just going to taste way better.
I imagine other people might be curious because I was. Am I correct in egg albumin is egg white protein?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. I think egg albumin is almost just entirely protein. There's really not much else that's going on in albumin. So if you're eating an egg, just a little side note, if you're eating an egg and you're just doing egg whites, you should understand that you're actually missing out a lot of the benefit of the egg. You are getting protein, but if you're throwing away the yolk, you're missing out on so much of the good nutrients. There's actually choline in there. There's really good cholesterol. There's a ton of good stuff that you want in egg yolk, just whatever. But another flavor that we got in that's limited edition is Devil's Cake, which I assume is like
Devil's food cake?
Yeah,
right?
yeah. So probably like a richer chocolate, I would think. I don't think I've ever had Devil Cake.
And this one will, for some reason when I saw this, I was thinking red velvet. But Devil's Cake is, I think, just a really rich chocolate cake.
Yeah.
And this one is limited edition. So I know we got a decent number of tubs in the back, but once it's gone, it's gone. So if people want to try that one out, act fast.
Absolutely. And we were kind of deciding earlier, which one do we want to do. They do have chocolate and vanilla, but chocolate and vanilla's, everyone kind of knows what those taste like by now. So we're either going to try the horchata or the Reese's Puff. Which one are you thinking?
I'm a big horchata fan, but I think the Reese's Puff is a safer bet.
Yeah. If that's the case, I'm going to let everyone know I've tried the horchata. It is amazing. I have not tried the PB Puff.
Are you a horchata fan in general?
Yeah, it's so good. It's so hard not to drink. Anytime you go to like a Mexican place, they give you like a cup like that big.
Yeah.
God, it's so hard not to drink all of it.
Did you ever get into the rum chata?
For a it was never something I got, but I was around when that was popular.
Right.
It is really, really good. It's easy to go down.
People used to do that in Fireball, and it would taste like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, I think it was.
Yeah. I think it was called a certain name of something. Yeah, I remember right when I turned 21, so you got to be 21 to drink. That's the only time I could drink. That's when Fireball was huge, and anytime we would go to a bar, it would always be shots of Fireball. It would never be anything else.
Stuff is so gross.
I don't understand why that was the drink of choice for everyone my age.
I think it's something everybody can do.
Yeah, that's definitely what it is. If you're around 27, 28, 29, 30, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Fireball was popping back in the day.
So I guess this is going to be like the Reese's Puff cereal as opposed to traditional peanut butter cup.
Yes.
So I'm interested in trying this out. Oh, it has the exact smell.
They nailed it.
Yeah, that's perfect.
100%. Yeah.
It's like the leftover milk.
Yeah, even like richer. It's really good. I feel like we always review isolates, so when we get one that's not, it's kind of like a nice treat. It really is like milky.
And if you mix this with some, it's good with water, but if you mix this with some almond milk, coconut milk, real milk, this would be a treat.
And it's funny because it's not just chocolate peanut butter; it really is those puffs. Like whatever it is, like kind of like that airy, wispy, like wafer thing.
You almost kind of get the, I don't know, what is that, a grain? You almost get the cereal taste with it.
Yeah, definitely. Oh yeah, that's good. I'm a big fan.
I'm a huge fan of that. And you know what I like about that too? I know a lot of times we say these flavors are good, but it might not be something I want a 5-pound tub of. I don't see myself getting sick of that.
Yeah, for sure. And I can attest for the horchata too. Horchata. I could do a 5-pounder. These actually don't come anything bigger than 2-pounders, but this flavor or the chocolate PB puff, either one of these, I can guarantee 2 pounds you will not get sick of.
Now, for this type of protein, this could be used either like before, after a workout, or even before bed because of the slower digesting proteins in here?
Yes, that's kind of like the general thought with casein is that it's a very slow digesting protein. So the idea is you take a scoop of it before you go to sleep so that while your body's doing the vast majority of its recovering, while you sleep, that's why you're supposed to sleep or get really good sleep, it helps you recover, that's when you are recovering. You're going to get that steady drip of amino acids while it's breaking down. Which it does make sense. I've never looked too deep into it, but that's why you do want the casein. So you can take it before bed or right after a workout because you also got the fast digesting ones too. So they kind of did a really good all-in-one protein here where the taste is amazing. You can use it as a before bed and after workout in the morning. No matter when you want to use it, this blend is going to be really, really good for that time.
And you know, I know this was a couple weeks back. We did a BOGO 50 on this entire line of awesome supplements.
Yeah.
There might be another one coming up in the next couple weeks, next month or two. So
there may be.
That is one more reason for people to subscribe to this channel as well as the Instagram and email list because I know I wouldn't want to miss out on a BOGO 50 on Black Magic.
Yeah, especially because they're pre-workout. They have pills. They have brainwaves. They have Magic Wand, which is a male pill. They have... What else do they have? They have brainwaves and wand. And I know they have another... Oh, they have Magic Eraser, which is their fat burner. They have a ton of really, really good products. A lot of them aren't that well known, but if you look at the label, it's really, really good stuff.
And you know what? Just got announced. I don't know if we'll be getting this one in or not, but they just dropped they do a lot of special editions of their pre-workout.
Yeah.
I know we talked about the red and blue voodoo, and then there was Magic Money and Buried Money.
Yeah.
They just dropped I believe it's called Green Magic, a St. Patrick's Day theme. That just dropped, I think, today.
Yeah, we may or may not be getting that in. It kind of depends on demand. If you want us to get it in, let us know in the comments below. And we still have time to get some, but you have to let us know really, really quickly. Otherwise, we may pass on this one.
It's kind of a funky flavor too. I think it's like fruit punch, strawberry, watermelon, lime, and some kind of green something else.
Oh, that's a lot of weird stuff. Yeah, but if you tried Berserk, you know their flavors usually are pretty good. Plus, Berserk is a really good pre-workout on its own. And then one more thing I want to add about this protein, it advertises it well and it's on here, but they add enzymes in here. It's something more proteins are doing as we go forward with kind of, you kind of see trends in this industry. Something that they're adding in is lactase and papain. So lactase is going to be an enzyme that helps you break down milk. So that is kind of a huge thing, especially when you have casein. Casein is very heavy in milk property. So if you're lactose intolerant, it's usually something you're never going to do because it'll blow your stomach up. Even if you're kind of sensitive to milk, casein can be pretty heavy. So when they throw lactase in there, it really helps you digest that without having any of that bloated gut or anything like that. So that's a really good add-in for it. Yeah, I think that's about it. You got anything else you want to add?
Yeah, big fan. I could definitely see this being one of the next proteins. I'm working my way through a tub of Patriots Whey, but after that's gone, I think this might be my next protein.
Definitely. All right. Thanks, guys.
Later, guys.